Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I am excited to show you a new subscription box that I just purchased. This is the Bella Rose subscription box, and it comes out bi-monthly. So this is my first one. It's heavy. Let's open it and see what's in here. Lots of tape. Still lots of tape. Might have to take that out. Looks like mine got a little rough. I got a little rough trip. Okay. Here is what's in the box. Got a little ribbon. That's cute. And it's tied in a knot. Oh, no, I can get it. Paper. Oh, all kinds of goodies in here. Welcome. This is the Bella Rose Quilt Society Portofino Garden. We just wanted to take a moment and welcome you personally, whether this is your first box or your 10th. We hope to bring the same joy and excitement to each one. Creating and curating these beautiful boxes is an incredible privilege, and it's all because of you. Your excitement and enthusiasm fuel our passion to bring you special boxes for each shipment. Thank you for being a part of the Bella Rose Subscription Society. And this is a subscription that, like I said, it's bi-monthly, and I believe it's $72 every other month. And then you can also pay half. So, what's inside? Let's take a look and see. Got a little bag here. Thimble tape. This is something I've never had. What does it say anything about it? Nope. It's puncture resistant, colorful, and comfortable. Protect your nails. Unroll at least 8 to 12 inches of tape off your roll. Tear it and wrap it around your finger. Never seen that before. Could have used this yesterday. I was doing some embroidery and I didn't even think about it. I didn't put anything on my finger, and sore today. Then there's also a little seam ripper. This is from Clover. You can never have too many seam rippers. Magic Morsels, a bite-sized fairy tale brownie. Let's see what else is in here. Don't know what this is. There She Blows, USB desktop blower. Great for desktops, keyboards, and smaller crevices. It's to clean off your off. I could use this on my bobbin case. Different, something cute, something I've never seen before. And then, well, let's see. Fabric. Look at that beautiful package. Portofino Garden. Table topper or baby quilt. The baby quilt, the table topper and baby quilt is 30 by 30. A lap size is 43.5 by 43.5, and the throw is 71 1/4 by 71 1/4, and it's a Bargello pattern. Pattern is by Aria and Ava Quilts. Color photos inside. And here are the fabrics. A lot of fabric. So I'm not sure. There's fabric. That one is 14 inches. Sure, if I look on here, it'll tell you white. It's a big piece. Oh no, are they? Oh no, they're strips. These are all 5-inch strips. I'm going to have to read the pattern and see how this all works. Ah, so they must have them together so you know how to put them together. Looks like granny square blocks. Another one, 5 inches. I think they're all 5 inches. Oh, pretty. And more 5 inches. So I'm not sure if this is everything. I think this might be everything to make the quilt top. This might be your accent fabric. Let's see. 10 inches. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how this works. I'm going to have to read up and see whether this is for binding. It's interesting. Let's see what's inside. Got the Large Blows desktop blower, seam ripper for setting up your success with this new sharp seam ripper, Neo Flamingo Tech tape, your brownie, the kit for the Portofino Gardens, and then there's also quilt pattern, My Spring House, and I think this is Clue 1. So this must be every month or every 2 months we'll get a different quilt pattern. I'm not sure. This is something new for me. Beautiful fabrics. And she also, let's see, ships every other month. Join us live on Tuesday and Thursday on Facebook and Instagram. See what's going on. So I'll have to do that. And there's a bingo card. Not sure. That must be for the Zoom. I got to figure this out. So I hope you enjoyed seeing everything that was in this box from Bella Rose. Thank you. Here's a better look at everything that was in the box from Bella Rose. You've got this little desktop blower, the Tech to put on your finger to protect it when you're doing any kind of hand sewing, the little brownie, a new seam ripper, the pattern Portofino Garden, and here are all of the fabrics. They're 5-inch strips, I believe the width of the fabric that is included. And this is evidently for a block of the month. So here's what was in the box. What do you think of that?